Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Chrome's not blocking adult content. So if Chrome isn't blocking adult content, this video will show you a quick fix that only takes a minute. So this method works on Google Chrome for Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and other devices that support secure DNS. So let's start. Open Google Chrome. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then from here, scroll down and select Settings. Now, on the left side, click Privacy and Security. So, under Privacy and Security, look for Security and click on that. Once you're here, scroll down until you see Use Secure DNS. So, if it's turned off, enable it to access additional DNS providers. So, go to Use Secure DNS and enable it. So, once you enable that, select DNS provider. So click this drop down R right here, then choose another provider instead of your current default DNS. So from the list, you can choose Clean Browsing Family Filter if it's available. So this DNS is designed to block adult websites and other explicit content. Now, if Clean Browsing isn't available, you can also select Open DNS, which provides adult content filtering and safer browsing protection. Now, after choosing your preferred DNS provider, so you can close the Settings tab, then Chrome will automatically save the change. So there's nothing else you need to do. Now, try visiting a website that contains adult content. If the filter is working correctly, access should be blocked or restricted. If Chrome is still not blocking adult content, keep in mind that secure DNS alone may not block every website. For stronger protection, combine it with Google SafeSearch, parental controls, or a family safe DNS service configured on your router. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.